In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams for your Android device. It's a simple process, so whether you're organizing a quick catch-up with colleagues or planning a comprehensive business meeting, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you're well prepared. First, let's open the Microsoft Teams app on your Android device. Once you're in, locate the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your scheduled activities and meetings live. Tap on this icon to access your calendar view. Now that we have the calendar open, you'll notice a variety of options that you can explore. To schedule a new meeting, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a plus sign, often labeled as New Meeting. Go ahead and tap on this icon. This action will prompt you to enter several crucial details for your meeting. Here, you can start with the meeting's title. Make sure it's descriptive enough so attendees understand the main purpose at a glance. Additionally, you'll need to add attendees to your meeting. Begin by typing their names or email addresses. Microsoft Teams will then fetch suggestions from your contacts and organizations, streamlining the process. Choose the right individuals you intend to invite, ensuring their availability aligns with the meeting schedule. Next, it's time to set the date and time for your meeting. Make sure to double-check the time zone, especially if your attendees are in different locations. This ensures there's no confusion about when your meeting occurs. Microsoft Teams allows you to select from a calendar view, which makes it easy to visualize your schedule and pick a time that works not only for you, but for everyone involved. Once you've entered all the essential information, including any additional details or notes that might be relevant for the meeting, it's time to finalize your setup. Scrutinize every entry to make sure everything is accurate and reflects your intentions. When you're ready, tap the Done or Save button. This action adds the meeting to your team's calendar and automatically sends invites to all specified attendees. Successfully executing these steps ensures your meeting details are available to everyone involved, and they'll receive a notification via Teams, helping them prepare and join the meeting at the designated time. Having this level of convenience at your fingertips simplifies coordinating schedules and enhances your productivity, allowing you to focus more on the meeting content rather than logistics. And there you have it. You're now equipped to schedule meetings on Microsoft Teams using your Android device effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or videos for more support. Happy scheduling!